Wuthrich.
And I'm Kevin Wuthrich.
Gorman-Rupp isn't just where we work, it's a part of who we are.
Our dad worked here for 38 years, and together, our family has built a legacy spanning almost 80 years. I've added 24 of those myself.
And I've added 17. Gorman-Rupp is more than a pump company, it's family. I work in assembly and check each part that goes into every pump. Then I carefully put it all together. I build each pump with quality as my priority. Every detail matters, and I take pride in each one like it's my own.
I am a service technician. I work on pumps that have already proven themselves in demanding conditions. I use the right tools, parts, and processes to return them to the customer in like new condition and ready for the next challenge.
That's what it means to be part of Gorman-Rupp.
It means standing behind what we do, because every pump we send out is built with the customer in mind.
We are family, and we are the pump people.